Living is without you. Ano ba yan? Thank you for someone who likes. I sending heart. Thank you. Hi. Hello. Thank you for the likes. Thank you to those who gave heart. Thanks so much. I can get tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Your sorry shows. Yes, it you I can't live living without you. I can't live. I can't give anymore. I can't live. Living is without you. Thank you to people. Oh my god. Thank you so likes. Thumbs up. I can't give anymore. Thank you so much for hit the like. I can't forget tomorrow. Starting show. Thank you so much. 5 people. Gano bel-bel me. Payat pero may bel-bel. But always smile, but in your eyes your sorrow shows. Yes, it shows. Maulan dito sa amin. Rainy here in Bicol province. Maulan, malamig. Pero salamat at may kuryente kasi kadalasan pag umulan. So kahit na nga hindi umulan, brown out. Nag-brown out daw kanina. So habang wala kami dito kasi kararating lang namin in few minutes. Nag-brown out daw kanina tapos dumating. Salamat pagdating namin dito may kuryente. Nag-alala kasi my God, lagi na lang. Thank you, 5 million. Thank you so much. Hi. Silent. Serious. Masyadong tahimik ang ating comment section. Anyari. I watch me where. I watch me nene. I watch me where. Oh watch me nene. Thank you, my God. Bakit tahimik? Anong meron? Dito kasi maulan. Wear black. Good day, madam po. Pa-shoutout po kay Chino Paco. We're watching here from Curie, Japan. Hi, from Curie, Japan. Watching from Curie, Japan. Shoutout to you, Chino Paco, from Curie, Japan. Thank you so much for watching from Curie, Japan. Chino Paco. Thank you so much for watching po from Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Thank you, madam. Always welcome. Pinoy po ako, OFW. Wow. You know what? Proud ako sa mga OFW ng mga Pilipino. So, kaya talaga yung, isang hero na hinahangaan ko. So, that's very, stay strong, guys. Stay strong para sa, para sa pangarap, para sa pamilya. Kasama ko po kambal na coworker ko, si Shino at Shino Paco po. Hi! Shout out to you, Shino at Chino. Shout out to you, Shino and Chino Paco. Wow, napakabait mo naman, kaibigan. Katrabaho, naghahanap po sila ng jowa. Anong nila? Pilipino din sila? Filipino or Japanese? Japanese. Ilang taon na sila? Ilang taon na po sila? Kasama ko po sila isa 24. Wow, that's great. 24. Same age. 42. Wow, that's great. 42. Bakit single pa sila? Bakit? Kayo po, ilang taon na? 40. 40 years old. I'm not married, but I'm not single. I'm not available, I mean. Mahirap po, ewan ko po, mahirap po kasi maghanap ng jowa dito. Bakit? Ganun po ba, sayang? Mahirap talaga maghanap ng jowa ngayon kasi parang 'di ba, parang baka mamaya player 'yan. Yung baka mamaya player, mamaya lang din, pastime lang. Ang hirap mag-overthink kasi baka mamaya, 'di ba? Hirap ngayon, pasukin yung relasyon. Tapos pag nagkakaedad na, kasi siyempre siguro may na tayo, yung parang may experience na. Parang hindi mo alam kung seryoso ba to, totoo ba to, baka mamaya lang to, di ba? Parang hindi natin na sa utak natin, kasi baka mamaya malungkot lang to, parang ganun. Dito po, mabait po sila, tapos friendly sila. Okay. May age limit po kasi dito sa Japan. 30s po, expired na. Yun lang. Ganun ba? So, maybe expired na din ako kasi 40 na, expired na. May ganda. Tawa naman ako dun sa expiration. Expired na. Kaya pala wala nang Pag sa babae may expiration, pag sa lalaki wala. Hanggat kaya, go. Pag sa babae kasi parang may limit talaga. True po yan. Kahit kanino po kayo magtanong sa Japan. Talaga, wow. Pag babae man o lalaki, magbabae man o lalaki, ganun talaga. May ganun pala. Sana dito yung sa Pilipino may ganun din, no? Yung mindset ba, para hindi na sila mga liwa ba. Ewan ko po. Ewan ko po sa kanila, gusto daw nila Pinay. Ayaw ko naman irito sa kabag-anak ko. Gold digger eh. So, mahirap kasi magrito-rito, di ba? Kasi mapapasama tayo dun. Bakit, madam? Nagaliwa ba? Ay, nako. Hirap pagkwento dito. Kasi karamihan din kasi ng mga Pinoy, no? Yung parang, o siguro hindi lang din Pinoy. Siguro mga lalaki. Hindi makontento. Parang gano'n. Kahit ibigay mo man yung lahat. Mahirap. Kahit bigay mo man lahat yung pagmamahal, yung ano, wala, hindi ka sapat kapag may mas lamang sa'yo. Mahirap magano. Parang mahirap magpasok ng relasyon ngayon. Kasi sila po kasi okay naman kasi issue malabo mata mga sing. Yun lang. True po, wife ko po, kapatid nilang kambal, isa sa kambal. Talaga. Pero financial stable. Anong trabaho? Anong trabaho nila? Anong trabaho? Two set of twins po. Grabe man yun. 2 sets of twins. Gab, yan yun, Gab. Oh my God. Sorry. Suddenly blackout. Biglang nag-brown out dito. Kaya, pasensya na. Nawala yung connection kasi biglang nag-brown out. Tapos biglang dumating. Sorry guys. Sila po may-ari ng cattle farm sa Tokyo. Wow. That's great. So, mayaman sila. So, they are rich Japanese. Hope, sana po makahanap po sila ng ng Pinay. Wishing po na makahanap po sila. Sana mabait, mapagmahal, hindi gold digger, tapos, ano ba yan? Hindi sinungal. Hindi cheater. Honest is the best policy. Ganon. Parang hindi po kayo mapahiya. Mahirap kasi yung Rafael San product histories. I can feel things without you. Thank you for watching po. Thank you, people. Thank you so much. Thank you, people. Thank you so much. Biglang nawala, nag-brown out kasi may gulay. Ngayon ako. Mulan dito sa amin. Mulan. Mulan. Lamig. Hello. Hi. Tulog ka na. Ay, nako. Magturog na. Kayo. Maghapon ka na lang po ng gabi. Kaya ang gusto na lang na. I can sleep now. Sleep now. Come on. Go sleep. Yeah. Go sleep. Come on. Sleep now. Kiss. Yeah, sleep now. Sleep well. You need to go to sleep. Yeah. Come on. Sleep na, sleep na. Thank you for... Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sleep well. Go to sleep na, baby. For people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the... Hit the like. Bye-bye. Come on. Bye. Bye-bye. Sleep. Come on, sleep na. Bye-bye. Sleep well. Come on, ilagay mo lang doon. Sa gilid. Opo. Yan, yan. Yan. Bye. Good night, baby. Thank you, 5 people. 5 people, thank you so much. Ta-da, ta-da. Hi, Marcus Wood. Welcome back. Your internet freeze. Yeah, my internet is freeze because suddenly no electricity. Blackout. Bye-bye. Remove your phone. Divine accent. But parang ready. So, maraming tambay. Aray ko. Anong aray mo? Working now, yeah. Thank you because having electricity now. Hi, host Anthony Lonzaga. Hello. Christian Stinga. Christian, hello, sweetie. Hi. Shout out to Divine Accent. Thank you for the hit. To those hit the like. Romeo Juris Pena. Hello. Hello, Marcus Ruth. Oh, you look nice. Thank you, Marcus Roth. Welcome back here again. How are you, Kitty? I'm fine. How about you, Marcus? Thank you for joining here again. Shut up. Oh my God. Rainy here. Tulog ka na. Oh my God, thank you, Marcus Roth, for the, thank you for the gift. Thank you, Marcus. Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you so much for the gift. Hello, Michelle. Hi, Daniel Rodriguez. Oh my God. Are you young? This Rose Rich. You're young. Hi mom and I'm in bed. Young now. Minor here is not allowed. My Do you have kids? I have one son. I have one kid, Marcus. Thank you, Marcos. Oh my God. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you so much. It's helped me, you know. Hey! Nano yan? Marcos, how you become moderator and you don't know about? You're welcome. Thank you, Marcos. How are you today? I'm good today, Zeno. Cheryl is my soon-to-be girlfriend, Jackie. Oh my God. Oh, nice. I have 2 kids. Not even messes. Oh my God. You have 2 kids. I forgot. Where are you from, Marcos? Sorry, I forgot. Arthur Strada. Hi, Arthur Strada. Thank you so much. Ohio. From Ohio. Thank you from Ohio, USA. Thank you so much. Are you single, Marcos? You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Arthur Strada. Where are you from, Sir Arthur? Yes, I'm. Why? Why are you single, Marcos? Good night, sweetie. Play some from California. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Arthur. I'm from Philippines. California from USA. I think maybe you came from. Have custody of my son and working full time. Kinda hard to find time to go out. Really. I like your outfit. Thank you. My God. What time is it there? Their time here? 9, almost 10 p.m. Almost 10 at night. Thank you, 10 people. You're 13 hours ahead of me. Almost 9 p.m. here, yeah. 13 hours, yep. 13 hours. Don't feel good this morning. Night here, morning there, in your place. Think I'm getting sick. Why? Why getting sick? Jose. What? What is say? Jose, hello, Jose. Jose. Not sure. Can't remember last time I done. Guess it's that time. Nasal, what it means. Resonator. Say. I remember when I say that you'd be here forever. I was afraid this time would come. You have nice body. Oh, thank you. Pretty face. Oh my god. No. Jose. From where from? Thank you, 12 people here now. And 6 likes. John Servando. Hi, John Servando. I think it's help people. How's the weather been? Rainy here. Raining. Rainy here. Yep. Gab is sleeping na. Yeah. Tulog na si Kuya Gab. Tulog ka na din. Opo, tulog ka na. Tulog na ka. Bye-bye. Good night. Sleep well. Bye-bye. Jose. Lola. Ha? Ano? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Po. Yes. Sleep ka na. Thank you, 15 people. Yeah? Yeah, sleep na ikaw. Opo, sleep na ikaw. Sleep ka na. Kuya Gab, sleep na si Kuya Gab. Bye-bye. Cheryl, who is that? My niece daughter. Her name is Jaila. My niece daughter, her name is Jaila. The baby girl. 2 years old. Her age is 2 years old. I have to run. Have a great night, Cheryl. Have a great night. Have a great day to you. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the gifts. Can I talk to you later? Thank you. See you next live. Yes! Ha? Sino yun? Ha? Pen? Tulog ka na. Bye-bye. Tell her to go home. You're, they sleep here. They sleep here. My parents' home. My parents' home. Oh my god. They sleep. It past her bed. It's past her bedtime. Yeah. Late bedtime. Thank you for 8 people. Hit the likes. Thank you for 10 people. Mm. Sleep na. Bye-bye. Sleep ka na. Sleep well. Sleep ka na. Yep. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tap. Tap. Oh, it's past, yeah. Late. Huh? Good night. Sleep well. Papay. Tulog si Papay. Jose. Hello, Jose. Sure, I'll bring her to where she belongs now. Bring her where she with her mother, but her mother is already sleeping. What's up? I have no what's up. No what's up, Jose. No what's up. Ang pangarap ko'y para sa'yo, nag-iisang bituin ng mga puso't isip ko. Oh my God, sorry. I'm sorry, don't be blind. No what's up. I have no what's up. What's up? Yes. No what's up. You don't need it now. I can't remember when you called. That's you. I take. Can't imagine letting someone new. Ananya Patea. Ano what it means? Can't imagine anything two of us can do through the years. Never miss you. It's tired. You turn my life around, the sweetest things I found. Bye bye, good night. Only dance if someone gives you a super job. Hope someone send me a super chat, please. Please. Please, super chat. The super chat. Someone give me super chat, please. My God. You. Baliw ka ba? Hindi. Baka ikaw ang baliw. Nice dancing. Thank you. Inggit ka ba? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Inggit lang yan, girl. Ikaw, inggit lang yan, girl. Nothing for free anymore. Okay. Oh my God. Inggit lang yan, girl. Inggit lang yan. Magsayo ka din. Alam mo yung mga ganon. Pagkat nagsayaw, baliw na. Baliw ka ba? Inggit ka ba? Pag sumayaw, baliw ka ba? No. Dapat, inggit ka ba? Sumasayaw ako, sumayaw ka rin. Ganun lang yung girl. Kapag alam mo nag-i-enjoy yung tao, mag-enjoy ka din. Alam mo, minsan kasi may mga tao talaga na kapag alam mong ayaw nila, nakikita nilang nag-i-enjoy. Alam mo yun. Tapos, basta marami yan dito sa amin. At isa ka na to. Wala akong pakialam sa ganyan. I do it. Wala akong pakialam sa mga katulad niyo. Kasi hindi ko rin kayo pinapakialaman. As long as wala akong ginagawang mali sa inyo, hindi ako magpapa-apekto kasi sino ba kayo? Perfect ba? If someone asks you to dance, then tell them, give them super chat for you to do out. Oh my God. What's up, Chinese man? What's up? I'm not a Chinese man. Hara72. I'm not a Chinese man. GCY. GCY. May pa GCY ka pa. Then who the hell are you? Oh my God. It's a nice way to asking to the stranger, to someone. Do you think it's good? Attitude journey. GCY. Ay, yung mga sinasabi mo, ayan, kahit sumagot ka, hindi ko yan mababasa. Dahil wala akong pake sa opinion mo. Ingit lang yung girl, ingit lang yung boy. She's someone not looking for you. Okay. Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Josh Wilson. Where are you from, Josh? Los po. USA. Where are you in USA? Where do you live? Where state living in the USA? I feel. Missouri. Wow. Missouri. Good morning, Ray Gibson. Night here in the Philippines, so maybe morning there in your place. Maybe also you're living in the US. It's cold there. It's cold in Missouri. At Missouri. Bob Mars. Hi, Bob Mars. Thank you for 14 million here now. Thank you to those who get the likes. Okay, well. Having a snow there. Oh my god, snow. Winter season. Cold season. Warming up for the next week. Okay. Warming up. Our snow melted last week. It will come back, Josh. Yes, maybe Thank you. We went from ET1 to winter the next several weeks. In the 50s next few days up. Okay. Taran Bats there. Good evening, sister. Good evening. Good evening, Taran Bats there. January and February will be very cold. Really? Same here. January, February is cold weather. Same here. Same weather. Where are you from, sister? I'm from Philippines. And you? Where are you from? Taran Bats there. Where are you from? Si GCY. Sorry naban na kita. So, kahit mapapanood mo ako pero hindi na mababasa yung mga comments mo dito. So marami na ako na-ban at hindi lang ikaw. So siguro punta ka na lang sa ibang channel. Alam ko hindi ako kawalan. So parehas tayo ng namamatian at hindi ka rin kawalan sa. So hindi ako nag-aalaw ng mga toxic kasi marami tayong problema sa buhay. Piliin natin yung healthy na taong nakakasalungan natin. Healthy na, alam mo yun. Tapos ikaw, I think hindi healthy yung mindset mo kasi, more ka, pinag-aharihan ka ng inggit. Ang babaw mo. Are you married? I'm not married. And I'm not available. Sorry, Karen, but today. Oh my God. Ang pangarap ko'y para sa'yo. Isang bituin, laman ng puso't isip ko. Not. No. I love you, sis. Thank you. Thank you for loving me. Karen, but there. Thank you so much. God. Nasa na? Ba't nawala na? Wala na sila. Wait. Wait a minute. Thank you for the likes. Hit the like. Only heaven knows. You beautiful girl, sister. Thank you. I think you too. You're beautiful too. Thank you for to those hit the like. Thank you for the likes. Anong masasabi mo sa kahihiyan na natatamasa ng Pilipinas dahil sa korupsyon ng mga Marcos, Romualdez, Duterte, Escudero, Cayetano? Escudero, De La Rosa, Go Estrada, Rebilla. Ang masasabi ko sa corruption dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga namumuno, may hangganan din yan. Hindi natutulog ang Diyos. May tao siyang gagamitin para mailabas yung mga matibay na ebidensya para mapanagot. Walang lihim na hindi nabubunyag. Laging meron at merong titindig, no? Lagi na merong titindig sa para ipaglaban ang bansa natin. So very proud. Ako kahit ako may sinusuportahan akong kandidato. Pag alam kong I'm anti-corruption, no? So kasi tayo mga Pilipino, hindi natin hindi mahal ang Pilipinas. Mahal nila ang kandidatong binoto nila. Obviously, tingnan mo, ang daming bulag sila sa katotohanan kasi panatiko sila ng mga politikong sinusuportahan nila at hindi ako agree sa mga ganyan. Ang daming mga Pilipino ngayon nabubulagan kanilang paniniwala. Hindi sila naniniwala sa katotohanan. Naniniwala sila sa binoto nilang politiko na korupsyon, na magnanakaw, na sinungaling. Thank you so much. Sana isa ka rin po, sir, pumanig sa tama. Huwag dun sa alam mo yun, na panatiko nila. Maraming Pilipino kasi ang sobrang mahal na mahal nila yung politikong binoto nila. Masyado na, pero hindi nila mahal ang Pilipinas. Akala nila malaki yung mga ginawa nila, hindi. Kumbaga sa produkto, parang sa 100, kumbaga yung ninakaw nila na 1,000, binigyan ka ng piso, tuwang-tuwa ka na. Nasuhol sa'yo para mahalin mo sila. Kasi maliit na bagay lang yun. Tapos ang pinag-usapan dito, hindi lang naman to sa ating bansa, kundi sa mga ninuno na darating pa. Pagdating ng panahon, ano mo yung prinsipyo? Paano na lang yung pinaglaban ng ating mga bayani noon? Tapos sinisira lang ng kapwa Pilipino natin, sinisira lang natin ng mga Pilipino dahil lang sa mga binoto natin mga corruption na politiko. How the good people in government go after the corrupt in the government. Yeah, Josh Wilson, yes. Disappointed here in the Philippines. It's a shame. Tapos, alam mo kasi yun, pinakitaan ka na ng ebidensya, ng resibo, na gumawa sila ng ganon. Hindi. Nidipinsahan pa nila. Oh my God. Paninirang puri daw. Paninira lang. Alam mo, kung paninira lang yun, dapat inaharap yung katotohanan. Dapat humarap ka. Na wala kang bahid na korupsyon o wala kang bahid na kasalanan. Pero bakit? Parang, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, ang katarungan, ang justisya para lang sa mayaman talaga. Kung wala kang pera, kawawa ka dito. Kawawa maging mahirap. Kaya kailangan natin pero maraming matatalinong Pilipino na bumoboto sa mali. At nakaka-disappoint lang doon. Makikita mo, pinaglalaban nila yung mali. Tapos ang talino mo, tapos paglalaban mo yung mali. Parang, yun? Grabe yung pagmamahal nila sa politikong yun. Pero yung hindi nila iniisip kung gaano naghihirap yung Pilipinas. Masyado sila nag-focus man sa ginawa. So, obligasyon nilang gawin yun. Hindi nila ating utang yun. Hindi nila, kung totoo sa hello, buong Pilipinas ang bumubuhay sa kanila. Kasi yung pinagsasahod sa kanila, pera ng Pilipino yun. Tapos yung inutang nila, sila lang naman ang kinabang doon. Totoo. Yung Yung ano lang, yung para sa Pilipino, tira-tira lang yan. Pinagati-hatian na nila yan. Nagpapayaman lang sila. Kawawang Pilipino. Kawawa. Aray ko, aray mo. Same happens here. Ah, yes. Maybe everywhere happens. But I know that the good government, the good people, it always happens. The good people always win, whatever happens. And the bad people, they will pay in the future. Not always good people always win, whatever happens. God knows. Lahat may hangganan. Yung kasamaan, yung ano, lahat yun. Pagbabayaran mo yun. You will pay the bad you can, that you do. For the people, for the country, for the... Hi, John. Thank you for joining, John. Hi, Cheryl. What you doing up so late? Yeah, it's so late here. Not too late here. It's still, not too late. Thank you, John, for joining here again. Maybe later to you. You na. Thank you for joining. Thank you for those hit the likes. Thanks so much. Thank you for people now. Jerry, Mom. Hello po, Mom. Hi. Hey, Hot Jackie, how are you? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you will find. I think he what do you call this? He resting. I don't know. If, Mom, ha? Ano ang ibig mong sabihin, Jerry? Umayos ka. Thank you. 6 people. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you for the sender. Subscribe and like the stream. Thank you. Thank you so much. Almond TV. Where are you from? Almond TV. Thanks a lot. Ma'am, ganda po. Thank you so much. Almond TV. Oh my God. I'm from California. Almond TV from California. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for sending. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you, host. How are you? I'm fine. Nice to meet you, sir. Almond TV. Why almond? I think that's almond. It's like a nut. Something, I think. No, almond. Almond. Thank you for the gift. Thank you, 13 people. Name is Alan. Ah, your name is Alan. Thank you, Alan. Josh Wilson. Hi. Tama. Luis Sante. Wala pang taga yan. Kasing yan. Tamang hinala ka din. Almond is a nut. Ah, wow. That's right. That's why I think here having a ice cream and something like almond. Oh, it's almond. But I like the nuts, the almond. It's different. John, having an almond there in your place, in your country. You're welcome. Hope you smile. Yes, I'm happy. I smile. It helps me. It helps me to. Thanks so much. Because yeah, we're facing now an financial crisis in our family because our father is in the hospital, so we need to earn money to pay the bills, and the bills is we need much money. So it helps, no? It helps to buy the medicine, something, other medical. Almond are nice nuts, yeah. Yes, oh my god, thank you. Thank you, Almond. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Almond TV. Thank you for the 14 people. Hit the likes. It helps, but not enough. I'm sorry I can't do. It's okay, it's fine. It's help, you know. And thank you also to John. John is one of generous here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you. I love it too. Thank you, Almond TV. Thank you, guys. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. My friend here and YouTube, thanks a lot. I was afraid to ask how father's was. My father having a pneumonia, and then her feet having a like what do you call this like a redness, and then something bigger feet. That's why he can walk because it's so painful in her feet, like this, the palm of his feet. I'd see right to the hospital. I'd send right to hospital. Yeah. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. God bless you more. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Some more. For 15 people, hit the likes. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm too close to reach the 100. 100, 100 $100. Oh my god. I can withdraw it. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Thank you friend here on YouTube. Thanks a lot. Um, maganda ka. I love you. I love me. Dominador. I'm modding up to sleep. So I will see you next time, Shell. Stay safe. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. Sleep well. Good night. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, John. Thank you, 9 people watching now. Thanks so much. See you next live, John. Oh my god, raining here. Still raining. Oh my god, raining. Something like it's gonna be this way. It's gonna be my oh my god. Thank you for the like. Sleepy blue bonnet flower. Hi. Sleepy blue bonnet flowers. Hello. That one. Sleepy bonnets. That's difficult and channel name. It's a different channel name. Different channel. Where are you from, host? I'm from Philippines. Oh yeah. Philippines. From the land of Philippines. Tururuk. It's good. We're from Lanao. No, I'm not from Lanao. I'm from Bicol. Bicol Province, Philippines. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I can't believe I reached in, oh my god, reached 100, oh, get dollar. I'm happy. I will go through it. Oh my god, before New Year. Six people here. Thanks a lot. 16 likes. Bakit pa hindi ka nakilala ng ako'y balaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ka? May kapiling na bakit pa hindi ka nakilala? 60, thank you for 8 million. 8 million viewers. Oh my god. Yeah. Yes, so I'm sorry Bicol also. Yeah, I'm from Bicol province. You're so looks like pretty today. I thought you look tired today. Ryan Chedra. Hi Ryan. Ryan Chedra. Oh my gulay. Thank you for the 9 people. From US. Oh wow, you are from US. Are you married? How old are you? You have a happy family, having a wife, beautiful wife, kids, beautiful kids. How's living in the US? I wonder. Okay. Hmm? What it means? No, I'm alone. I'm still single, not married, but busy in my daily life. What? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to sleep now. Busy in my daily life. Okay. God bless you. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys. Love you all. Thanks a lot. I gotta go. Where you going?